Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to Teatime Tarot. I'm going to be reading from the Unfolding Path Tarot. I'm going to give it a quick shuffle because I've already shuffled it. And I'm going to cut the deck. And let's go with this one. And let's see what we get. So the very first card we have is the Sun. So that's, to me, the heading of the whole reading. And that has to do with positivity, fun, warmth, success, enthusiasm, happiness, good luck, vitality, self-expression, and truth. Next, we have the Seven of Swords. That has to do with betrayal, deception. Someone is acting strategically and trying to get away with something. Who is that person? Is that someone around you? Someone you've been kind of suspicious of? Or maybe it's somebody that you don't even suspect. But with the Sun card here, that means things will be illuminated. Next, we have Justice. And justice has to do with justice, fairness, truth. Again, truth. So something is going to be illuminated. Integrity, law, life lessons, cause and effect. So what this tells me is that whoever has betrayed you or is being deceptive or trying to get away with something, it's going to be illuminated. The truth is going to come out. Justice is going to be called on them. It may mean that there's some legal consequences for their actions. Hopefully they learn from their lesson, but they're going to be held accountable. Next, we have the Three of Pentacles, and that has to do with teamwork, collaboration, and implementing things. Next, we have the Two of Pentacles. And this says multiple priorities, adaptability, managing your time, flexibility, balance, and financial decisions. So the fact that you have the Three of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles, it just means that the focus is on finances and money right now, making financial decisions. It may involve working with others. And the last card is the Six of Swords, and that has to do with transition, change, rite of passage, releasing baggage. So that may be what you're being faced with, having to make a decision to move on from something, make a change with something. It may be having to do with your finances, making a change so that you can be better off financially, or it may have to do with a relationship, walking away from someone, releasing ties to someone whose energy is not serving you well. I also wanted to read from my Song Oracles by Moca deck, just to get some additional messages. This one flew out. It says, I dance to my own music. And this song is about a narcissistic, controlling partner in a one-sided relationship. So maybe you are in such a situation where you're giving your all and it's not being reciprocated, or maybe your partner has betrayed you or is just not holding up his or her end of your relationship. It also says here, taking back one's power and independence. So that may be where your immediate future is headed or should be headed. I also want to pull from my handwritten messages here. Let's see what other messages we get. Ooh, a lot came out. A lot came out. So let's see here. We have O, the initial O. This one says foundation. This one says X. It could be an initial or an ex relationship or somebody you've been with. This one says partner, so it could be your ex-partner. This says wait. So maybe you've been waiting for something or you need to wait for something. This one says bent. To me, that just says that you've been faced with some kind of challenge. It will bend you, but it won't break you. It also says XO, so maybe it has to do with a love situation. So the fact that it says wait here, and it has something to do with a love and a partnership of some kind, and it says here foundation, to me it just says you have to build a solid foundation in this partnership before you keep going forward or making any drastic decisions. And as the Song Oracle card said, take back your power and focus on your independence. So collective, that was a reading for today. I hope one or all of these messages resonated with you in some way. Please like and share the video, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. That will help me greatly. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Love and light. Thanks for watching. Hey collective, I hope you're well. If you're enjoying my readings, I have a small favor to ask. Would you be so kind to take a quick minute and go to my YouTube page, True Oracles by Moca, and subscribe to help me grow my channel? I would so appreciate it. The goal of my readings is primarily to motivate and to spread good vibes. So please share with family and friends. Thank you and have a fantastic day. If you're interested in purchasing any of these decks for yourself or to gift someone, check out the links in the description section below the video.